This is the most important thing, because again, you are there are a lot of tools you already know in the market. Okay, so you must know like which tool has the capability to do the task for the given things that you have given. Okay, so let's. Hi everyone. So today we are going to explore one of the latest AI coding models available inside, Cursor AI, that is called Grok 4.5 High Fast. Okay. So again, you already know the Cursor AI. Now, how can you use the latest model that is currently in it? That is Grok 4.5 High Fast. Okay, so recently Cursor introduced this model, and many developers are comparing it with the premium models like Claude Opus because it because of its speed and pricing. But today we will be understanding these things. Okay, so today we will cover these things: Cursor, Grok 4.5, Canvas and Design mode. Third one, pricing. Then fourth one, live projects. Fifth one is a performance, and sixth one is a comparisons and validate. Okay, so these are the things that we will be covering in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end, because after watching the video you will understand the powerful, or I can say the advantage of Grok 4.5 if you are using with a cursor. Okay, so this model is booming right now, so you must know this thing if you are coding and if you love to do the coding. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go ahead. So what is Cursor Grok 4.5? Let's first understand this thing. So see, Cursor is an AI powered code editor that you already know. Now, inside Cursor we can choose different AI models like Claude, GPT, Gemini, and now Grok 4.5 high fast. Okay, now Grok 4.5 is designed mainly for the coding purpose. Okay, and it helps developers by writing code, fixing the bugs, and designing websites, explaining code, generating complete projects. One interesting thing that I have noted: this model is optimized for speed. That means instead of waiting several minutes, many coding task finishes within the seconds. Just for the example, if I want to give you, so like let's say if I ask it to create a landing page. Okay, so instead of manually writing HTML, CS, and JavaScript, the AI generates everything automatically. Can you believe, like, you have to just simply ask to write a landing page, so AI will generate everything automatically. Okay, so I think this is a best model that Cursor has given. Okay, so let's go ahead now. Why Grok 4.5 stands out? Let's understand this thing, why it actually stand out from the other AI coding tools. Okay, number one, faster. Developers notice that it produces responses much faster than many other coding models. That's the reason. Then number two is a cheaper, and its API cost is significantly lower, I can say, other than the AI tools. Third one is a strong coding ability. See, even though it's cheaper, but many developers say its coding performance is close to the premium model also. Just for the example, if you want to understand this point, then let me give you a short example. Imagine two cars are there, one cost is 5 lakh and another cost is a 20 lakh. Now both reach your destination equally fast. So which one would you choose? Obviously the cheapest one. Na? That's exactly why why developers are excited right now. So I hope you got the point, basically what I want to tell with this example. Okay, then next one is excellence design generation. Okay, mobile and web dev, and last one is canvas and design mode. Interactive artifact and visual UI editing, no manual front end work required in this. Okay. Okay, now let's understand. I hope I have just covered this thing: cursor, canvas, and design mode. Okay, now let's understand the pricing comparison. This is the most important thing, because again, you are there are a lot of tools you already know in the market. Okay, so you must know like which tool has the capability to do the task for the given things that you have given. Okay, okay, so let's understand this thing. So this is a table which I have just create just for you to understand this thing. Okay, so model 4.5 is around $8. Okay, then Claude Opus is $30 and Fable is $60. Okay, so see, let's compare the pricing. Every model charges money based on token usage. Like the lower the token price is, the cheaper your AI becomes. Okay, AI coding becomes. Now, according to the comparison, Grok 4.5 cost around $8 per million tokens. Claude Opus cost around $30. Okay, and Fable cost around $60. So Grox gives excellent performance while keeping the cost much lower. If you can see, then because again the cost is very minimal in Grok. So for the developer who are using AI every day, this difference saves a significant amount of your money. Okay, so I hope you got the clarity. Basically, a small pricing comparison I have just taken you for you. Okay, so with this, let's go ahead. Let's see some live demo. Okay, so again, you can see the first live demonstration involved redesigning and a personal portfolio website. Grok 4.5 handles the full scope from creating homepage redesign to mobile representativeness with a very minimal manual interventions. Okay, so this is all about this thing. What we have built, what was built, like redesigned homepage with modern layout, as you can see, improved UI with consistent design system, then fully mobile responsive breakpoints, then enhanced footers with navigation links, then better statistics and metrics section. Okay. So these are the things that it has created. So the prompt was very simple. The user asked like write a modern landing page. So within the minutes, the AI has created the hero section, charts, graphics, statistics, and professional design. So the impressive part is that that AI didn't just generate the code; it also understand design principle also. Okay. So I hope you got the clarity basically like what it can do for you. Okay. Now let's go ahead with the project number 2 that we have did. That is. This is website design. Okay, it's all about Swift iOS voice a- apps. Okay, okay, let's understand this thing. iOS voice app. Okay, so see, the third demo focused on mobile app development. Like it mainly focused on that. The AI generated a complete Swift iOS applications. Features included, voice chats, API integration, then modern UI, simulator support. So instead of manually creating multiple files, the AI generated the complete application automatically. Can you believe AI has just you know generated the complete application automatically? This is especially useful for the beginner who don't know Swift. Okay, so the second demonstration is all about this thing, the full iOS voice chat application built from scratch, integrating the Grok API with a modern Swift UI interface and simulator support. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go ahead. Project number 3 is about this clock. Okay, so again, the third and most ambitious demonstration was full Excalidraw clone, like a collaborative drawing tool with database storage and live deployment. This project tested Grok 4.5's ability to handle complex full stack application. So again, we have done this task to check the ability to handle the complex task or not. But the answer is yeah, the Grok 4.5 model has successfully handled the complex and full stack application. Okay. Core features delivered is like a drawing board it has created, database storage it has created, presentation support, then live deployment. These are the things that it has done. Okay, now let's go ahead, performance and final verdict. Okay, again in this I want to tell you one thing is that again good Grok 4.5 delivers consistent, fast, high quality results. Here's the bottom line for teams evolve the teams evaluating AI's coding tools. Okay, okay, so there are a lot of things like speed, accuracy, cost efficiency, final verdict. Okay, these are the very benefits that we are getting from the Grok 4.5. Okay. So after testing everything, is Grok 4.5 worth using? Are you also thinking like this? I would say definitely yes. Because see, if you use Cursor daily, if you build website, if you create mobile apps, if you want lower APIs cost, then you need faster AI responses, it offers an like excellent balance between the performance and price. So many developers, it can become their primary code model also. Okay, So bottom line is simple. If you're using Cursor and want plus level results with Opus level pricing tag, Grok 4.5 high fast is the model to use. Okay. So I hope you got the clarity, basically the model that has just introduced in Cursor AI. Okay. At the end, today we have learned a lot of things like what Grok 4.5 is, then why it's becoming popular. We have done the pricing comparison just for you. Just let me give you the clarity. So yeah, we have covered this thing: cursor canvas, community feedback, advantages, projects we have seen, and at the end we have seen like, is it worth to go for Grok 4.5 or not? And the answer is absolutely yes. So I hope this video has helped you to know the recent or new updated model that has Cursor has just launched. Okay. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, if you have any question and queries, you can ask in the comment. And if you like our content, then do like and share with your friend so that they will also understand the power of the AI, what AI can actually do. Okay, so see you in the next video.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.